I am you. I am made from you, the five elements. I feel peace when I'm with you. View of a beautiful lake, green fields, rising sun. The morning's breath of fresh air or sky give a feeling of beautiful all like none. Each and everything is precious in this entity, just like in the mechanics of love. Visible, be it people, animals, plants, or clay, or non visible, like thoughts, quarks, electrons, X ray, gamma ray. Such complexities of natural phenomena, human minds, relations, and life, yet so simple if we see them with love as our only eye. Love is the sole purpose of life. To receive and give love is the innate need of everybody. However much we receive or give, the urge never dies. In every action we do for ourselves or for the world, folded underneath, somewhere love lies. Energy binds us all. Some say it gravity, electromagnetism, some say it's simply complex love of nature. Unconditional love we receive from trees, ocean, animal. This very earth is eternal. So relax, just give and receive love in this beautiful world. Cause the I will die one day, which is conventional. What will remain? The natural elements will go back to original form to weave new magic of I will look at the rising sun again, feel the love, and then again sigh. Thank you. Please like and share to motivate.